3-light brass bathroom vanity light. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. I'm going to install this and film it. Check out this packaging. They aren't messing around here. This stuff is packed very well. We have some instructions over there, and we have 3 wire nuts and 2 screws. I'm going to assemble the light fixture first. First, you get a set of instructions, the hardware, which is some wire nuts and a couple of screws. You get a mounting plate, which is going to work out great for me because I have to mount this in a circular box, and this fits in there perfect. First thing I'm going to do here is assemble this. Just kind of fold this back and tuck it in here, pushing this side that isn't already attached, and that makes it a lot easier. And then this just screws in here like this, threads on. It's not going to be super tight. Yeah, so just tighten it down, and there we go. You get the lampshades, which they kind of are hammered metal look on there, which is kind of neat. Let's get this thing hung up. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure the power's off to here. Always ask somebody to help you if you don't know what you're doing. Second thing we're going to do, mount this to my junction box. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wire the ground wire to the bracket, and then I'm going to take the ground wire off of here and also tie that on there so I can let this thing hang on here. And I'm going to lock it down. Now we are simply going to go black to black and white to white. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some electrical tape on there. Now we're going to stuff these wires in the hole. Carefully place that stuff in there. That screw, there it is. There's 1. There's 2. And then we just put the screws on. I lined it up perfect before it went on there. I'm so happy with myself. Do a little test, make sure it works. There it is. I'm going to put this over and I'm going to screw this on underneath of it so it holds it in place and tight. Next we just put some light bulbs in. That's the maximum wattage we could use. And there it is over in the mirror in the bathroom. I think it looks great. I really like that hammered metal look. Kind of reminds me of an older traditional type look as well. It was easy to install. Didn't take me very long at all. The package came with everything I needed to install it. Lights up great. 3-light vanity light.